TikTok log number 1. David's making a fire. Jesse's making a gateway. Oh, we got next to each other for better or for worse. Yeah, we got a nice tent, a nice gazebo. James is starting his fancy roast. The rain is like minutes away, so yeah. Seagulls TikTok log number 2. David just did a cool mapping base. James' meat is looking incredible.
Can I see?
Yeah, come see. I'm doing it for the TikTok. Woo! Don't take that the wrong way. I'm gonna start dessert. It's going really well. Jesse did this whole wash-up stand. The rain has been on and off a little bit, but it's not too bad. We have a really sick flagpole that can be hoisted up and down with Jesse's nice flag. And then this little catapult, super cool. The elastics get tight and then it shoots forward. Seagulls TikTok vlog number 3. This crazy psycho just got bet 200 rand by this silly man to drink 8 egg whites, which he did.
I'll do that.
He ate egg. Now Jake has to pay him 200 rand. Oh,
Yo.
making profit out of this camp.
Seagulls TikTok number 4. It's raining outside in the tent. I'm making a castle. Jesse's sleeping, James is sleeping, David's sleeping. It is approximately, based on the moon's position and the stars I can see out the window, 21 past 12. And yeah, going pretty well.
Seagulls TikTok log number 5 or something. It rained a lot in the night. We're making breakfast now. Daniel's tent flooded, so he's doing his STA here. I'm very tired because I did my STA last night. And it's a nice morning. Cleared up a little bit. It's going to rain in the afternoon when we're packing up, which is not great. Everything is soaked. It rained a ton in the night. Welcome to Seagulls TikTok log number 6. Today we are milking a tent for its great nectar. Seagulls TikTok log number 7. We are waiting for inspection. It is drizzling a little bit. We just got our gadgets judged, which is pretty cool. Let me give you actually, while we're waiting, a quick tour of the campsite. Yeah, we have the lovely gateway, which is the 5 seagulls getting a cool hanging dangling thing.